Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your biodata from Jazz of Good Day agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No,
No.
I, no, no, ma'am.
Okay, please focus in the camera, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because Malaysia, I am Malaysia is a safe country for OFW, ma'am.
Sorry?
Because I am Malaysia, ma'am, is a safe country for OFW.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, good day, ma'am. And sir, I am Rowena Ruizga. I am 41 years old. I I live in Oslo, San Francisco, and Surigao del Norte. I'm single, and my birthday is January 5, 1982. So I have been working before since 2004 until 2017. The first country is Kuwait and Singapore and Oman. Kuwait since 2014 until 2018. And then Singapore is starting 2010 and then until 2017. And the last is Oman since 2012 22 until 2024. That's
Oh,
it.
okay, so Rowena, I would like to know some few more details from you. So, what is your height and your weight?
Height is 5'2", ma'am.
Okay, your weight?
Uh, 50 kg.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Your educational background?
College level.
College level. Okay, so you mentioned that you have been to Kuwait way back 2004 to 2008 as it was stated in your by data, correct? You worked there for Kuwait for 4 years, right? Yeah?
Yes,
Okay. So you work in Kuwait for 4 years. Can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Kuwait?
uh, I do also I office and do cleaning,
Okay. You do cooking,
and
laundry, and ironing.
then yes,
How
and
old is the
then
baby
do
that you
the
Sorry, how old is the baby that you take care?
sorry, and then do ironing clothes.
So, how old is the child that you take care?
1 year and 6 months. The
What
baby
1 year?
girl, and then
What?
the yes,
Is it one
and
child
then the
only?
child took
Sorry, you're quite choppy. Okay, I repeat again, ate. So, how old is the baby that you take care?
the baby
Okay, so the child that you take care is 1 year and 6 months, correct? Yes?
yes,
Okay, so in Singapore, you worked there for 7 years, right?
ma'am.
Way back 2010 to 2017. Can you share it with me also? What are your responsibilities there to your previous employment in Singapore?
I do the cooking and cleaning only.
Do the cooking and cleaning only.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and decided to go in Oman?
I do get married.
Oh, okay. So, way back 2022 to 2024, you worked in Oman and you finished your contract also for 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you describe again what are your duties there to your previous employment in Oman?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
What are your duties to your previous employer in Oman?
Do the taking care of the two baby.
You mean you're just focusing taking care of baby only or you do house chores also?
I do the household round. I do the cooking, cleaning, and taking care of the two kids.
How old is the two children?
2 years.
Okay, 2 years and
2 years and 5 years old boy.
5 years old. Okay. So, Rowena, right? So you have a lot of working experience already abroad, right? So it's not new to you being a domestic helper. You know that it is very tough, correct? And we
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
be flexible also. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes po.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Pardon, ma'am.
Can you take care children?
Yes, I can.
Can you take care baby? Can
Yes,
you
I
take care
do.
baby? So can you take care elderly people?
Yes, I do.
Are you okay to take care elderly? Are you sure?
Yes po.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Before I don't have survey for
Sorry?
elderly,
Sorry?
but I don't have experience of taking care elderly.
So you are not okay to take care elderly. Are you okay to take care elderly or no?
No, no, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? No. Can you cook?
Pardon. Yes,
Are you okay to take care pets?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, it's not 1 year. It's a 2 years contract. You know what will be the consequences once you breach your contract, right? You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone also, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But you can hold it during
Yes,
nighttime only 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. During rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. You will going to stay inside the employer's house only, and if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clear to you because I don't want later once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us regarding about all these things about the terms and conditions, the usage of mobile handphone and the rest day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.